Hello and welcome, I'm Chef Peter, professional trained chef. Today I'm showing you fun recipes for spinach. We're gonna make a pumpernickel and spinach dip. What we start off with, we have 2 nice tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, and 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. We blend these all nice together. So we have a nice creamy consistency. Add salt and pepper to it. And we got 2 slices of fine cubed pumpernickel bread, which we add to it as well. Then we add a pinch of nutmeg and a pinch of red chili flakes. Blend it further together and add a half pound of chopped spinach. And fill it in a form. And it will be ready to serve with some more pumpernickel bread.